Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to revive your old wigs. I know many of you might have a wig that is old and in a bad condition and you'd like for it to be restored. So today I am going to show you how to do so. So don't forget to stay tuned and stay connected. Continue to like, continue to share, and remember to keep that notification bell on so that you can receive all the updates. So let's get right into this video. So once you have checked your water temperature, you can go ahead and apply your Tresemme conditioner, and I'll be using this one, the Moisture Rich. I choose to use this one because it restore dull and dry hair. So I need my hair to be restored. I need sheen as well as moisture. So I have chose this one, which is the Moisture Rich. So if your situation is similar, you can choose this one as well. It works both way. So I am applying my conditioner to my water. Please ensure that the water is not of a high temperature because you don't want the hair to be burned. So please check to ensure that the water is of a low or warm temperature. So here I am trying to get my conditioner to absorb in the water so that I can place my hair in the water. So once you have placed your hair in the water, you can go ahead and leave it for about 5 minutes so that the conditioner can absorb in the hair. So once the hair have soaked in the conditioner, you can go ahead and comb the hair out to release every knot that may entangled in the hair. Wow, look at those curls. Look at the sheen, guys. Look how shine it is. I am telling you, you need to try this conditioner when you're trying to restore your wigs. Look at the curls. The curls are already being restored. Once you have finished washing your hair, it's time to dry the hair. You can choose either method. I choose to hang it on a line so that it can receive fresh air. However, you can use a blow dryer or any form of drying device that you have. Once you have dried the hair, you can go ahead and apply your sheen or whatever moisture that you have, your mousse, whatever you have to dress the hair. But before I do so, I want to show you what the hair looks like after it is dry. So this is the result after the hair is dry and before I apply anything to the hair. This is the original look of the hair before anything is applied. So here I went ahead and applied my water along with my mousse to the hair to add sheen as well as to restore the curls. So guys, you have seen it. This is the finished look when I add my sheen, my mousse, my water. This is the moisturized look. So you see, you can repair and revive your old wigs. So if you haven't become a family of this channel, go ahead and like, share and subscribe. Keep your notification bell on so that you can receive all the updates whenever I post a video. Until next time, bye.